Hello everyone, and today we are taking a walk. So here's Adrian, he loves his costume, and we are here sitting down and relaxing. We really love nature. And here is our dog Nala. We decided to take Nala out. Oh, Nala being so malikot. And we love the scenery here. It's so beautiful. It's one of our comfort spots. I really love this part of our neighborhood because it's really comforting and not that much people are here. Adrian really loves that costume. And yeah, this is the first time Tita Joy has came to this spot. Basically, she's lucky because we love this spot like so much in the summer. We would always spend some time here to clear our minds and all that stuff, you know? We also saw this one woman in the other side meditating, which I say it's a good idea because this place is so relaxing. Here's a whole time lapse of us sitting down and just talking. Here is us on our way back home and Adrian just holding on to his tail. Here is the rest of the video. The beautiful blue sky. We are taking another way to go to our home. And there am I, wearing Tita Mila's sweater. As we are walking back home, we got to our backyard. And when I was here, I went through the front instead. Bye!